Hi, welcome to night 4 of virtual VBS. This is the Showdown. For tonight's craft, we're gonna make a cross out of cardboard, and I'm gonna show you a cool technique to color it. So all I did was just use regular cardboard. I just cut this out of a cardboard box that I had at home. You can draw it in order to get that shape, and just cut out around it with regular scissors. You'll also need some glue, regular Elmer's glue, a spray bottle of water, some washable markers. It's important that they're washable. Don't use permanent markers here. A couple of sheets of aluminum foil and some scissors. And a sheet of regular paper will be fine. So all you want to do this is, once you've got your cross cut out, you want to lay it down on the paper and trace around it. Hold it steady with one hand. Go all the way around. So I've got my cross outlined on my paper. And then all you do is you take your aluminum foil. I'm gonna set that aside for a second and just choose different colors and kind of make maybe like a rainbow, really any kind of design, but I'm just gonna kind of scribble a few colors on my aluminum foil. And all I'm doing is just kind of scribbling a little color on like that. I'm gonna go with some red next. You can use as many colors as you want, or as few as you want. You can even use just one if you choose. And I'm just filling up some of the middle of this aluminum foil. So I even added some color over to the side. You can do it however you want. Let's see. I wouldn't use any black or brown probably. I like to use bright colors. And you can repeat colors if you want to. So I'm gonna go back and add some more red, maybe some green. And you don't have to fill the whole thing up, just a decent size. All right, and I'm gonna stop there. So this is what it looks like. When you've got that done, all you're gonna do is take your water bottle, your spray bottle, and make sure it sprays not in a steady stream, but in the shower spray, I guess you'd call it. And you just take it and spray your aluminum foil just a couple of times. And we're gonna get our paper with the cross on it, and we're gonna lay it face down on the aluminum foil. And I can already see the paper is absorbing this marker. So I'm gonna press all down. Try not to press too hard because you might tear a hole in the paper. And then once you've done that, you just peel it away, and it leaves behind a kind of colorful airbrush tie-dye look on your cross. I left a little space over here. If you wanted to, you could lay it back down. Just try to cover that up. Or you could spray it again and cover that up. When you're done there, set that aside. And I'm gonna cut out our cross, just following along my pencil line where I originally traced. The paper is going to be just a little bit damp, so just be careful when you're cutting. So when you're spraying it, it's another reason you want to make sure not to spray too much water on there, because you don't want your paper to be so wet that you can't cut it. Alright, so I've got my cross cut out. Another thing is, if you don't have aluminum foil at home, you could use any slick surface to do this with. You could use a magazine page, you could use wax paper, you could use tinfoil, or saran wrap. So any slick surface would work. Once you've done that, you just take your cross that we cut out and we're gonna glue it just with regular Elmer's glue. And place it right on top. And you've got a cool cross you can display in your room. So you can write on it, put your name on it, you could write God is love on it, whatever you want to put on it.